Hi, my name is Krishnavardhan Kupu. Today I'm going to present about the assignment 1 of Criminal Law 1, and my metric ID is over there, and my lecture name is Madam Janatun Nayan Umar, subject WLW 2703. Okay, the first scenario is Zara's self-defense case. So Zara was walking home alone at night when a man tried to grab her handbag. In a self-defense, Zara took out a metal baton from her bag and struck him on the head. So this leaving him unconscious. So now we're going to talk about the IRAC rules of this scenario in the IRAC format. So the first one will be the issue. The issue is whether Zara is criminally liable for causing the injury to the man when she struck him on the head with a metal baton in self-defense. So the rule of this, okay, the rule. The rule is under the Penal Code of Malaysia. Criminal liability requires the actus reus and mens rea. So the actus rea is the guilty act in which this situation the striking man with the baton, and the mens rea will be the guilt mind, which is intention, knowledge to cause the harm. So, however, the Penal Code also provides the exceptions, particularly the right of private defense. Under the Section 96 of Penal Code, nothing is an offence which is done in the exercise of the right of private defence. Under the Section 97 of the Penal Code, right of the private defence of the body and the property. Under the Section 99 of the Penal Code, limits to right of private defence. Example: no more harm is necessary, and not when protection of authorities are available unless immediate action is needed. So the next one will be the Section 100 of the Penal Code. Right of private defense extends to causing the death in certain circumstances. Example: assault reasonably causing expressions of death, grievous hurt, or rape. So these are the rules. Okay. Under the case law of Muniandi versus Public Prosecutor 1966, this is what held. The court held that the private defense must be reasonable and proportionate to the threat. And at the same, which is Palni Andi versus R 1950, established that private defense is available only when there's imminent danger and the accused response is necessary for protection. So next we're going to talk about the application. So the application, so there are two, actus reus and mens rea. So under the actus rea, Zara did strike the man on the head with the baton, causing injury and unconsciousness. So on the mens rea, she intended to protect herself, not necessarily to cause unlawful harm. So now we apply a private defense. The man attempted to stash Zara's handbag at night. This could reasonably cause Zara to fear physical harm. So Zara's action of striking him was indirect response to immediate threat, fulfilling the imminence requirement. And however, under the Section 99, the force used must be reasonable and proportionate. Striking on the head with a metal baton is severe and can cause grievous hurt. The question is whether this was proportionate to attempt the robbery. Since Zara was alone at night, so the attack unexpectedly and could not reasonably rely on the police intervention at the moment. Her reaction may be justified. The law allows even serious harm to be inflicted in self-defense when there is genuine apprehension of danger. So now we're going to conclude this scenario. So the conclusion: Zara is not criminally liable because her act falls within the right of private defense under the Section 96 till 97 of the Penal Code. Although the harm caused was serious, the circumstances, a sudden night attack by a stranger, made her reaction reasonable and necessary for self-protection. Therefore, Zara is protected by the statutory exemptions, and act does not amount to an offense. Thank you. Thank you very much.